So previously we saw using Globus Connect Personal to copy from Chess to our local laptops or desktops. And it's a good way to get data to work with immediately for analysis. But if you have a very large amount of data that you need to move between institutions, say you're spending the summer at Chess and you need to move your generated data sets back to your home institution, you don't have to copy everything onto your laptop and, carry it with you on the plane back to wherever you're going. You can copy between institutions. Globus can do a server to server copy. And it's really useful because, for one thing, it's probably going to be a whole lot faster than trying to go through your laptop. Let's take a look at how this works. We'll start by going to globus.org and logging in as we normally do. It has stored the fact that I'm logged in because I use it fairly often, but normally you'll get the prompt for the regular institutional login. Then I need to search for a collection. I'm going to search for one to copy to. This will be my home institution. I'll show you how it searches. If I type Renzi, it'll match on Renzi projects. I can click on Renzi projects. It'll try to see what's on there and say, "Ooh, got a problem. You're going to need to log in." Click continue. Okay, select an identity. escott at datamover.renzi.org. Pre-populated my password. Let's try to log in. It's going to use Duo for multi-factor. Approve. Okay, and it's logging in. So I'm going to go at Renzi at UNC. I'm going to go into a directory that I have write permissions to because nothing generates data like genetics except maybe working with synchrotrons. Okay, that's good. And on this side, let's I could search for chess test, but since it's already there, I'm just going to go ahead and click on it. And to make the demonstration very quick, I'll select c.text. And I can copy, I can just, drag it over to the other pane and it queued the request. And by now the request is complete. I can click on refresh and yeah, there's c.text copied over. Tiny little file just for demonstration. The advantage of doing it this way, um, depending on what kind of bandwidth your institution gets uh, between it and Cornell, you're going to see extremely fast copies compared to trying to go over Wi-Fi to a laptop or gigabit Ethernet plugged into a desktop. Tremendously faster. So keep this in mind, especially as you start wrapping up campaigns at chess, and you're thinking, okay, I got to get that data out of here pretty soon, and I need to get it back home so I can work with it.